So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into this screen. Now to get here, you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You're going to repeat this 3 times. So you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You're going to click on Advanced Options. Now once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 2 different ways on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start up Repair. If you do not see Start up Repair, then you're going to click on CM Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on Start up Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, hopefully this will now fix your problem. If not, that's fine. We're going to click on Advanced Options. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. And then click on Restart. And then once this comes up, we're going to enable Safe Mode. So you're going to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4, wait for this to load. And now once we're in Safe Mode, you're going to head over to Search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand Network Adapters. Now you're going to find your Intel Network Adapter. You're going to right click on it, and then click on Uninstall, and then click on Uninstall again. Now once you've uninstalled that, we're just going to restart our computer. It's now going to take us back into Windows, and then Windows is going to automatically install the latest drivers for you. This should now fix your problem.